Losing access to your Spectrum Mobile account can be frustrating, but recovery is straightforward. Your Spectrum Mobile username is typically the primary email address associated with your account or a unique Spectrum account number. If you've forgotten it, visit spectrum.net or use the Spectrum app and select the Forgot Username option. Recovery details will be sent to the email or phone number linked to your account. Remember, Spectrum Mobile usernames and passwords are part of the broader Spectrum ecosystem, so changes here may affect other Spectrum services. Your password needs to be at least 8 characters, including uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for security. If you've forgotten your password, resetting it is simple. Go to spectrum.net/mobile or the Spectrum app. Click Forgot Password or Reset Password. Enter your username or email. Follow the prompts to receive a verification code. Spectrum now offers mandatory two-factor authentication, 2FA for logins, adding an extra layer of security by requiring verification via SMS, email, or an authenticator app. For mobile-specific issues, you can also contact customer support via the app or by calling 1-855-478-6789. After resetting, enable 2FA and avoid reusing passwords across different services to keep your account secure.